Hello. So today on the irrelevant unboxings we have a EDC torch, flashlight, mini flashlight, call it as you like it. It's still the same thing. So if it would focus, we have 3 watts LED waterproof mini torch, and it's actually supposed to carry out 260 lumens, so it is supposed to be pretty bright for that little thing, packing a lot of punch. So in the ad it had a little clip here which would go to your pocket clip or something, but it's missing, and I am kind of glad because that is flimsy, and it was supposed to be red. Yeah, so I'm not that sad that it came black, but still, eBay, sometimes you need to get your shit in order. And actually in the photo there was not mentioning of the lease written on it, so this is very nice touch. So in the ad it said a AAA torch, but when I looked at the description it clearly said AA, but still we can try, maybe it will work. No. Yeah, so clearly another mistake, and you can see that there's O-ring, which I guess is supposed to create that seal. So button on the bottom, it's recessed. Another thing, it comes with this kind of a latch. It's little plastic thing, which I don't know, if you are going to be carrying it on your belt or belt loop, then it's okay, but put it in the pocket, because this, it's not strong at all. And the funny thing is that the plastic did not break. Actually, this loop struck out, so yeah, this one's better to keep it in the pocket. Dark, bright. So it is really bright, but is it really waterproof? Let's test this. I guess a little bit of bubbles are escaping, but it does hold good. So all in all, for $1.70 with free shipping to your house, it is really a good purchase. So yeah, really recommend. Thanks for watching, and wait for the other unboxings and DIYs. Bye.